Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy and security on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable Facebook login on the Pinterest app, so you can keep your accounts separate and your information more secure. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to update. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. Next, you'll want to head over to your settings. Look for the three dots or the gear icon, typically in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the settings menu where you can manage all aspects of your Pinterest account. Now, scroll through the settings until you find the section labeled Security. Tap on Security to open up more options related to your account's safety and login methods. Within the Security section, you'll see an option called Login Options. Tap on this, and you'll see a list of all the ways you can log into your Pinterest account, including Facebook, Google, and your email. To disable Facebook login, simply find the Facebook option in this list. There will be a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned on, that means Facebook login is currently enabled. Tap the toggle to turn it off. You might be asked to confirm your choice or enter your Pinterest password to make this change. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Facebook login on your Pinterest app. From now on, you won't be able to use Facebook to sign in, and your Pinterest account will be more secure and independent. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and re-enable Facebook login. But for now, enjoy the extra peace of mind knowing your accounts are separate. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and privacy tutorials. See you next time.